Top 5 most famous types of honey, benefits, taste, and aroma. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of honey. We'll be introducing the top 5 most famous types of honey, highlighting their benefits, taste, and aroma. Let's get started. Honey 1. Alfalfa honey. Alfalfa honey, originating from the alfalfa flower, has a mild, grassy flavor and a light, subtle aroma. It's perfect for using in cooking and baking, where it adds a subtle hint of sweetness without overpowering other flavors. Alfalfa honey has antioxidant properties that may support heart health. Honey 2. Clover honey. Clover honey is the most widely available and popular type of honey in the United States. It has a mild, sweet taste and a light floral aroma, making it perfect for everyday use in tea, baking, or as a spread. Clover honey is rich in antioxidants and can help soothe a sore throat. Honey 3. Manuka honey. Manuka honey originates from New Zealand and is famous for its potent antibacterial properties. This honey is darker, thicker, and has a stronger, earthy flavor compared to other types. It's highly sought after for its potential health benefits, including wound healing and supporting digestive health. Honey 4. Orange blossom honey. Orange blossom honey has a uniquely citrusy flavor and aroma due to the orange blossoms from which the bees collect nectar. It's light in color and great for drizzling over yogurt, fruit, or as a glaze for poultry dishes. This honey has anti-inflammatory properties and may help support immune health. Honey 5. Acacia honey. Acacia honey is known for its beautiful light golden color and mild, sweet taste. It has a delicate floral aroma and a high fructose content, which makes it less likely to crystallize. Acacia honey is ideal for sweetening beverages and topping pancakes or waffles. It also contains antioxidants and may help regulate blood sugar levels. So, these are the top 5 most famous types of honey with their benefits, taste, and aroma. Each one has its unique flavor profile and uses, so go ahead and experiment with them in your recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food content. See you next time.